Okay, hey guys, it's me and Trizzy and Tristan Dolphin. Yeah, us back with another Borderlands 2 Let's Play. Trizzy
I'm covering camera and I'm right behind you. I just accidentally gave up. If you guys haven't seen part 3. Click the wrong button. Camera I'm running to. I'm right behind you.
Die, bully one, spring one. Ah, exactly.
Random XP.
Thanks, bro. Here's some more. Here's some more.
They're throwing like rocks at me or something. I just gotta kill them.
Nice.
So.
You're helping. Oh, help.
Oh, I died! Dang it! Oh, dang it!
Don't give up.
I'm not gonna give up.
Keep shooting them. I'm out too. And I'm up.
I'm up.
Let's go. Let's go kill Midgemon.
What is that thing?
Shut up. It's a midget riding a bullymong.
What gun is that?
I don't know. I can't see the same one as you. I see different ones.
Oh.
I see a
Sounds
brown.
like a knife on it.
I see a brown and black rocket launcher with a knife on the end.
Welcome to Dr. Zed's portable
And I don't need anything for that.
Shield. Here, where's the gun?
You can't buy guns yet.
Okay, well then
Adult bullymong.
Dude, wait for me, I'm coming.
Okay.
Is there monsters down here or whatever you
Yeah.
want to call them? Bully moms.
Oh! Well, I just got murdered, so does that answer your question?
No! Something just blew up!
I killed. Yeah, I threw a grenade.
Oh, you just killed me.
No, I can't kill you. You got killed by something else.
Oh, jeez. It's like hitting me far.
This assault rifle is really awesome. I like it.
Give an assault rifle.
Yeah.
All I have is a pistol. and a
Actually, this
shotgun.
kind of reminds me of a Vector from Black Ops or Modern Warfare 2 or something.
I have 17 health. I need more. I need one of those red things.
Health kits.
Yeah, health kit.
Are you on? I look like such a pedo.
I know. Is there anything here? Oh, open. Open.
Oh, I didn't mean to take that. I didn't want that.
Can I get this one?
You can have this.
Yes, I got a healing one.
You can't use it yet though, because you're not high enough level. Quite yet.
I have two weapons. Alright, I just picked up a weapon, but it didn't give it to me.
That's because you can't use it. You're not high enough level. Psycho!
How high of a level do you have to be?
I don't know. I didn't read it.
I got him. What the heck? These things are so weird. What is that axe that you just threw?
He's cute. I'm just kidding. He's not
I got
cute.
307
He's
bucks.
actually kind of creepy.
I know.
I have 325.
How much money do I have? Whoa. One of my friends is level 43. Grab me, bro. Grab me, bro.
I've had a level 50 before. What is next? Alright, these are weapons. Ba-boom!
Dude, let me have one. What the heck?
You get the
What
toilet
happened to the
weapon.
weapons?
I don't know. There, bro. There's a machine
Sorry,
gun.
bro.
There's a machine gun in the toilet room.
There is.
Whoa, he just threw an axe at you.
I know. There's not a machine gun in here. What
Yeah,
are
there
you
is. There's an
talking
assault rifle.
about? Well, I can't use it.
Yeah, but you're a level away.
Well, I picked it up.
Ow, you tit. Come here.
Sorry, bro.
Don't be scared.
Whoa, this thing's pretty good. What the heck?
I'm nice. Oh, you just took my kill. Now I can't get revived. Come heal me. Come revive me. Yeah. Good job. Pickle Gonzalez.
I got the achievement friendship rules.
No, you didn't. I'm just kidding. Yeah, money. Yes.
Hey, this
Yes,
hand
money,
is like a
money, money.
machine gun. You can
No, 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 no.
fire rapidly.
It's called fully automatic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Ow. I almost got him. Yeah. My last shot was a shot of wisdom.
What level are you, Cameron?
Almost 5.
Yeah, same.
I'm
I
hiding.
have 3 health. I need a health kit.
I have 67. Okay, guys, we're gonna stay tuned for episode 5.